Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money through friendly website. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you open the website, this website is about chatting online with other people and also flirting. So you can get up to 40 cents a minute working in this website. So all you need to do is having a good PC and a stable internet connection, and you need to be fluent in English. Then after you enter the website, you will click on join. Then here you will enter your email address and your display name and your password. So after you join as an operator, then you will be asked to fill an application with your name, email address, phone number, and another stuff like your payment email through PayPal or through the bank and your country. Then after you submit the application, you will need to wait 24 hours or less so they can respond to your application. Then after that, they will accept you and you will start working as an operator, and you can make up to $800 a week. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.